Welcome to Study Loop.
So today we're going to be talking about different types of feedback loops that govern over the different processes within your body. So you have negative feedback loops and you have positive feedback loops. So in negative feedback loops, these are to maintain what we like to call dynamic equilibrium, to make sure that the body doesn't get too much of anything. So not too hot, not too cold, not too many of this chemical and not too little of this chemical. So we do this by having different processes that kick in to maintain this dynamic equilibrium anytime your body is out of whack. Um, or going through something that necessarily is not what it should be going through. Positive feedback loops, on the other hand, usually are when one thing happens in the body that stimulates other things to happen. And so they keep happening until you have a final result. A good example of this is like giving birth. The contractions activate more contractions, which activate more contractions, and only stop once a final product, a baby is born, is reached. So these are stimulation that causes more stimulation, which is why it's called a positive feedback loop. So if we look at these answer choices, we have to find which one is a positive feedback loop. If we look at them, we can see that A, B, and C are all instances when the body wants to change something or wants to make something that happened go back to how it was before, such as glucose levels. So this is all go back to how the body was before. But the only thing that's different is D, which is when we see that a clotting factor stimulates other clotting factors, and these clotting factors keep getting stimulated until a fibrin clot is produced. So that's the product. And after that, there is no more clotting factors being stimulated. So we can see that that's our answer for which one of these is a positive feedback loop. Thank you.